Welcome to our HTML tutorial. This is where we are going to be learning everything about HTML, how you set up HTML page or how you make a website using HTML. Every document in HTML starts with HTML and you have to cross the HTML where all document will be included. Within HTML you have the header, opening, and you cross the header. Within the head, you have the title. You put the title within the head, the opening of the title, and you cross the title. You can name whatever you want your page. In this case, we name it My Page. This is what you're gonna see in the title. Right after the head, you have the body, opening, and crossing. Between the body tags, this is where you will put everything, the content of your page. The content of your page will go between the body tags, the opening and closing. You can also make a comment in HTML. The opening, you write whatever you write. For instance, this is HTML basic page setup. Close the comment and remember to save as HTML or all files or .html. This is how you save HTML page. You have the name .html. You can do .html, then save, and you can open in a browser to check how your page looks like. In this case, we have nothing yet on our page, but you can see my page name in the title. You can see the title, My Page. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one when I'm gonna be dealing with attributes in